Hi, it's Jodi here at Frank Anthony, and I'd like to share with you today one of my new favorite products. It's made by Clarisonic, and it is a foundation brush head that goes on any existing Clarisonic model that you have. Today I'm going to be demoing the foundation brush head on my beautiful model Renee, and I have her already prepped and ready to go. She's hydrated with Argino Hydrazone Moisturizer, and I'm going to be using the Mirabella CC cream on her today. So I've already got her prepped and ready to go, and I'll show you how easy this is to use. So you can see this only took like a minute and a half to do, so it's something you can do every day. It's not just for special occasions, and anybody can use this to apply their makeup with. You can see it gave her a beautiful, flawless look. It looks very smooth, even, and almost like an airbrush look. How do you feel it looks, Renee?
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks so pretty. I love it.